Yeah. And then roll it.
Haka arpau tarik ujiliu arjar arpusau ke Office District Project Management Unit CCL MP West Khasi Hills District kalapulong ye kajingalang ban play pipe ba ek National Resource Management NRM Library kabadon hasnong Nongshillong East and West Khasi Hills District. Ye kani ke library labay pisaling ba ke World Bank and Grassroots Innovation Fund. Ya kani ke library la play pipe ba du Senior Environmentalist World Bank Pyush Dogra kumukongsan ha kajingadon lang u Additional Project Director DB Gunanaka IFS u Tijut Zalso Deputy Project Director Project Management us aim ke himamau yang uba NSAIM uba Yopio Pakenten District Project Manager kimentri ke himamau yang kirang basnong kinohikai bat ki khana school kani ke library kan long jing mentoi na ka benta ki khana school jong kani ka dong ha ka ba kin la ban pindon kam ya ka kum kalat be kin yo ki jing tip ki babha bat bajanai ki ban ya rap ki jing puli jong ki.
The teachers here, whatever the occasion is, I always, if I see students, I somehow get deviated out of my topic and go to the education part. I strongly believe education is the most powerful tool for empowerment of any given community. If you want to empower community, first and foremost is education. And this community has went beyond their normal day-to-day activities and has requested for a library. You already have a school, but you also wanted an NRM library. That itself is good. But I request the school teachers having library, we will definitely you as a in continuation to this, would like to procure some books and donate to the library. But I request teachers, please ensure the habit of reading. The current generation is somehow getting spoiled with these screens. Mobile screens are this one. The reading culture is going down. If our future has to be safe and secure, if we have to have a very sustainable forest around, our students should inculcate this habit. So somehow I request one in your area, try to have at least 1 hour a week, make them come to this library, make them read, have that fun, enjoy. That habit should be there. I'm also from a very normal middle class or lower middle class background family. If I'm standing here, it is education, and this is for most of us. If you want to go up in a normal route, then education is the only way. Maybe there may be other ways, and that's not something we should all look into. Please, teachers, I think, in fact, maybe I would like to just bring to notice or just remind what we did. The 720 Kian smart school-lit devices. That's one of the reasons. Camp should not end with what we have done on the ground. It should continue in terms of education, environment education.
Good morning to all of you. Respected Sian sir and NNC chair that was held, Gunankaji and my colleagues from World Bank and SPMU team from CLEMP, ma'am from the school, and committee members. Thank you so much for giving us this privilege to come here and see the good work which you all are doing. I'm really humbled to see the inaugural plate where you have seen, you're inaugurating a library and you have put in my name. It's all your work. We are privileged to have this opportunity to come and interact with you. This is a great occasion for all of us. I'm sure my colleagues who are there with us will agree to this, that all this has become true because of one small initiative which Government of Meghalaya has taken, and that's the CLAMP project. I feel the CLAMP project, the essence of CLAMP project was community-led landscape management. That means community is important. And you can see how this project has brought in the change which DPM was just referring to, that it's very difficult to change the mindset, but you need some instruments. And probably this project has come up as an instrument to bring that change. And the change is so visible that people are demanding a library here. People have put in a library here, which is beyond the scope of the project. The project has gone to village natural resource management planning and implementing the related work. But the interest of the people, the interest of the community, the interest of Shillong, this is what the change is. You can very well see the change which has come here, and this is the change which we all need, because the climate change and other aspects which are now hampering the environment and ecology is bringing a devastating future for us. So it's important that we realize that how important it is, the environment and ecology of a local area. We talk about bigger pictures and bigger climate change and global network, but it's important to look at local aspects of ecology, and I'm glad that here in your work you are also documenting flora and fauna of local village, which is important. I'm also happy that almost all those activities which are needed for a forest management have been included in this VNRMC. They have started with nursery, they have started with regeneration, they have started with assisted regeneration, they have also started with check dams, they have gone to the cleaning of fire lines, and they have even done the awareness about fire and the spring chamber, and ultimately the catchment area treatment. All aspects which are needed scientifically for a bigger forest management have shown by this village that they can do. So there is nothing, this is what you have done, and this is what the integrated planning is. This is what the landscape planning is, and this is the essence of the project. And you have shown that every element of the project on a sustainable landscape, you have proved that. All elements, and I'm thankful to DPM team and VNRMC, that you have included a total cycle of the project, which is needed in this case, and you have gone beyond with the library establishment. That means you are targeting the local youth, and you are also targeting the students. And that is what is required, the next step going forward. Our students, our young people should realize that there is a dire need of the society to look for ecology and environmental aspects. And without looking at the local aspects, you cannot think about the bigger picture on this. So it's important to look at the local aspects. As we say that